Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect a Yoke to an Xbox. Begin by confirming compatibility, powering off your console, and checking the Yoke for Xbox or adapter mode. Next, plug the appropriate USB or proprietary adapter into the console and connect the Yoke securely. If prompts appear, allow firmware updates and follow on-screen calibration steps. Finally, test axis movement and button mapping in a flight simulator to ensure proper control and responsiveness. First, inspect the Yoke cable and Xbox ports to determine the correct connection type. Use a compatible USB cable or the supplied adapter and avoid improvised connectors. If the Yoke requires extra power, connect a powered hub rather than straining the console ports. After plugging in, turn on the Xbox and wait for device recognition. Proceed to any required firmware updates, and complete the controller calibration steps in settings for smooth flight controls. Once connected, head to the Xbox controller settings or your simulator's control menu to assign axes and buttons. Calibrate roll, pitch, yaw, and throttle using guided prompts and adjust sensitivity or dead zones to remove drift. Map hat switches and trim controls to preferred functions so trim and view changes respond predictably. Save a profile after testing in a practice flight so you can return to custom settings without repeating calibration steps each session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.